We're in Shropshire today, a county that's very well connected by rail, whether you're coming from North Wales, South Wales or the Midlands. We have a number of key stations in Shropshire, including Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Church Stretton and Whitchurch. It's the perfect sustainable destination for your next day trip.
Hi there, so welcome to Shropshire. I'm Mark Cooper, the project lead for Visit Shropshire. I'm here today to talk to you about the county and why we're in the top 10 destinations in the world to visit as voted for by ABTA. So voted for in the top 10 worldwide destinations alongside the likes of Zambia, Mauritius and Crete. We've got plenty of beautiful places to visit. So with over 19 stations in Shropshire, we're also easy to get around. When people come here, they can travel by train and travel around the county to our various towns and villages, including the towns of Ludlow, Shrewsbury, Whitchurch, or hiking up the hills in Church Stretton. Over 25% of the county is an area of outstanding natural beauty, so it's easy to see why people can come here and get into the great outdoors and experience some of the beautiful shopping while putting a few miles in that way as well. With so many great places to visit, I've taken the guys from Transport for Wales on the grand tour of Shrewsbury today, visiting the likes of Tanner's Wines, Lion and Pheasant Hotel, the longest row of independent shops in the country and the best market hall in the country as well. So it's easy to see the reason why you'd want to come here for your next vacation.